Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel Google Pay transaction. So guys, all you have to do, open your Google Pay app. This is the first step on mobile. If you don't have the app, you can set up your app on mobile or your mobile device. And after that guys, go to activity, look for activity option as you can see here. And from here, scroll down and go to a payment, the payment you want to cancel, for example, this one. Click this one and then write this is on the pending. So guys, if this is on active payment, just click cancel option, and after that guys, click cancel payment and or cancel or refund. If you done this work, just go to contact Google and let's see option support, and then write to your help to cancel option from here guys. This is how you can do. Just select an activity to cancel your subscription. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. Just launch the app and go to activity payment and then cancel your subscription. Thanks guys again for watching this